So we're going to rehydrate these Guajillo chili pods. You break off the stems. I'll let you see what it looks like once they're rehydrated, and once we rehydrate them, we'll blend them. So they are rehydrated. We will drain the water and then blend them up. Okay, now I've blended it up after they've been rehydrated and I drained the water. Added a little bit of fresh water. You can use beef stock if you want, but just enough to create a sort of paste, and then we'll combine it into the meat. We have now combined the onion, the fresh cilantro, tomatoes, and beef. All organic ingredients. We've seasoned them with salt. The next step will be obviously to put in the blended Guajillo chilies in there, add some water, and put it in the oven. So we've combined the chili pods, the Guajillo chili pods, and the color is just phenomenal. I will now add some water to it because the water will condense back down. It'll create a nice thick sauce, and the meat will be so tender because of the heat being conducted in the clay pot, and the flavors will just stew and combine. So looks good so far, mashallah. So now we've added the water. We're gonna put the lid on, put this bad boy in the oven, and let it simmer for at least 4 hours. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Mashallah, look at that. I'm just using a spoon to stir it up. See how the meat is just tender. And the Guajillo chile broth, I mean, look at that. Just really came out wonderful. The cilantro, the onion, the tomato, all of it just really looks wonderful. It will be served over basmati rice and with a side of rosemary, potatoes. Alright, looking good, mashallah. Stewed up nice and well. Serve it over some nice organic non-GMO basmati rice. Hope one day you can try it too. Looking good.